So 30,000 Bitcoin millionaires vanish after crypto crash. So guys, you buy keys live here on CoinMarketCap Alexandria. Market reasons article by Consulting. Guys, there's a big red button, big red subscribe button beneath this video. So you want to click on it, turn on notifications, so you get notified whenever we drop beneficial upload. And back to the news, it said BTC's dramatic crash over the past few months means tens of thousands of investors are no longer millionaires. So back on November 12th, not long after BTC hit a new ETH of $68,789,000, it's a grand total of 108,886 addresses had a balance that was greater than $1 million. So, but fast forward to the present day, with prices currently around $36,500, and data from BitInfo charts reveals that the number of millionaires has now dwindled to just 80,409. So the rough math tells us that this means that about 26,477 people have lost this treasure status in under 3 months. So the dramatic declines have also affected those who boast the very biggest BTC balances. So while there were 10,587 addresses with a minimum cash value of $10 million, last fall, just 6,960 hold the same status. So guys, you want to check out CMC's podcast. It's usually very informative also. Next on news says Diamond Hands versus Paper Hands. So BTC's crash has been bruising to say the least, and earlier this week its price was 50% below the all-time high set in November. So while a number of investors have diamond hands, meaning that they are holding on to their BTC and riding through the volatility, many will have opted to sell their coins at a loss, fearful of further falls. So indeed, the data from BitInfo charts suggests that a substantial number of investors have decided to get out of BTC altogether. So while there are a total of 61.7 million BTC addresses back in November, just 57.6 million remain today. So a fall of 4 million. So the confidence and swagger seen among Bitcoiners has diminished greatly since the start of the year, with hopes that BTC can raise to $100,000 beginning to dwindle. So there's the uncertainty over the Omicron variant, rising geopolitically tensions in Eastern Europe, so runaway inflation and more. BTC close correlation with the stock market, especially the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100, has also brought into question the narrative that its edge against inflation and store of value like gold, an asset that people will flock to in times of uncertainty. So guys, that's all you like. Stay tuned for more. Peace out, and don't forget to subscribe, guys.